this sport for so long in this country, along with Shigeo as well. It's just great to see those three baseball legends together.
The torch is passed to two people who represent the whole world. That is a doctor and a nurse, Ohashi Hiroki, a family physician, who care for with COVID-19 outbreak, and Kagawa Shinzo is in his
Expanding here this flame as part of this final torch relay, not just for healthcare workers here in Japan, but around the world. We'll have the honor of the next portion of the torch relay. Wheelchair marathoner, ice sledge racer.
Delivery in as little as 1 hour. Because now, things come to you. Same-day vaccination appointments. Because you're ready. And Walgreens Cash Rewards, you can donate back to your community. The new normal? Have to admit, it does have its upside. Walgreens.
Just worry about Corey.
Raised on mild Midwest fare, owner Jimmy Bennos fell in love with Cajun flavors in the 80s, and even received a blessing from the Java's patron saint, Paul Kudo.
And he invited us to hang out in the kitchen, and that meeting changed my whole life.
One perfect pair Jimmy's made his own is the shrimp and grits with beef debris.
This is definitely my place.
Then after making roast beef, where Jimmy makes his own special.
First component is we cut some beef chuck roll, brisket, and short ribs. 3 kinds. Then we'll put the beef stock in there, put it in the oven for about 3 hours, and you're in good shape.
The meats themselves are full of extras, as in extra creamy, extra cheesy, and extra delicious.
Heavy cream first. We're going to stir in the grits. And I'm going to take a little bit of butter. So you see it starting to thicken up. And now I like to season.
Garlic and onion powder.
Let it rain. A little bit of Asiago cheese. Some Parmigiano Reggiano.
It bubbles away nice and low for about an hour, and what have you got?
Creamy, awesome grits.
Finally, the shrimp.
Did you like those little beauties right here?
Perfect, especially when they're spiked with Jimmy's own Cajun seasoning mix.
You know what makes them dance? Is that it's spice. Just like we're dancing to beautiful music.
Watch your eyebrows. With that beef debris singing back up for our shrimp and grits, it's like 2 classic combos in one.
Match made in heaven on 7.
A It's so cheesy. Fine, Chicago's lunch hour. Heaven on 7 is also home. And here's the perfect pair to sprinkle a few drops of liquid fire on. Red beans and rice.
So we start off with some andouille sausage, Costco ham. Now the traditional Holy Trinity is bell peppers, onions, sausage. I do bell peppers. I'll do 1 cup of rice.
Here's the proof.
Warm classic combo, red beans and rice.
Got they're so flavorful. They really just kind of make my mouth water just looking at it and talking about it. I just want to like shove it all in my mouth.
This is sort of last meal kind of stuff, right? It is comfort food, but it's so well executed. It's perfect.
It's really delicious. It's just very comforting. I think it's such a good dish in the winter in Chicago, which is something they don't necessarily have to do with in New Orleans.
Heaven on 7 and Park the Rock for a class course in classic Cajun combos.
I might have to get a special seat for you that has sea pulse on it. It'll keep you from from all your excitement.
His ex-wife.
New projects means new project managers. You need to hire. I mean, indeed you do. When you sponsor a job, you immediately get your short list of quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job criteria. Visit Indeed.com/hire. Get started today. No offense, Mr. Cuddles. Close it north.
It's safe that we treat it with dignity and respect.
I think you have what it takes.
No use. I want to sing what I want to sing. They say Diet Coke is a mom.
Reynolds makes it easy. Cook and clean up one food. Why do miss all the fun stuff? Easy prep, cook and clean with Reynolds Wrap.
Isn't it something bargain or Netflix? Why? Our special cookie is cascaded with caramel and cloaked in chocolate. Ever wonder?
Oh, that's great.
We believe you will bring a new perspective, so we'd like to offer you the position.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Now more than ever, SHRM has the tools you need to create a world of work that works for all. Join SHRM today.
Think about it. What is the no equation? It's a new way to look at the world. Unexpected combinations of people and technology
they'll be more together than they ever could have been. Imagine a world where potty training is fun, fast, and easy. Only some of the Disney projects that Dave and Wes encourage big kids to stay dry, so they're motivated to keep the music going.
I think there's something comforting about Iron Chef Ferguson fries. It's that nice, comforting meal. It's got a nautical vibe to it. It's definitely the best place in Valerie I've ever seen. We have a pressure pot to cook all of our cutters, and we do all of our steamers. Right to bar this. We pull the live crab and the lobsters directly from the tank, trade them about the restaurant, and then take them back to their steaming bath.
Chef Jamie's pair of
They don't offer fish and chips. You're in the wrong place.
first you need flour and a pint. Bottoms up.
What's a little fish batter without chicken seasoning, hot sauce?
The rest of the seasonings and baking powder join the party, and whisk it up.
See that water frothing up nicely, and you'll see when you fry it that it gives it a lot of air, a lot of lift, and that produces a really nice, flaky, crispy crust. We like to use Alaskan cod. It proves to be flaky and tender, delicious, and a little bit buttery.
Roast potatoes are blanched and cut into something that sure looks like french fries.
You would think that these are fries, but actually
Good to go.
got some seafood seasoning. Fits in with the maritime theme we have here.
All aboard the plane, baby.
And this classic combo, we get to take out another classic combo, ketchup and tartar sauce. Fish and chips with bananas. Another classic combo that's timeless and tasty. Got a nice crispy outside. The inside is perfect, fluffy, moist flavor. It's fantastic. The crust tastes almost like a little bit of American pie crust. Partying yesterday.
Chips are amazing. They're seasoned really, really well. They have a little crunch to them, which I like.
Oh, I was checking the bike out for their pictures. Okay. Oh, Mom, she's like, I totally forgot you were at the Just take a shower.
And primitive and meat potatoes.
Especially when you've also got the power.
It's like you put bacon, make caramelized butter, and you made a love child.
It's Oyster House. Baby, it's a kid. I mean, come on. Not satisfied, but satisfied.
Really great phone.
Bring out the, what we want to do now is sprinkle it on there. And whatever it is, you will will. Penetrates the meat, the bone, the whole rib. This is how we do it. Gotta get the love into it. Tyrone brings those hands back to his homemade smoker and gives us the goods on his woods. Got a little hickory, got a little cherry, and taco wood. Bring with a sweet, smoked taste to it. Yeah, it's really good. Those got some serious smoking to do. This is how we put the soul in our wood. Every day. Always want bread to get some red beans, green pop, and peppers. Sausage and tosses it into that slow cooking vessel choice, a cast iron
that's what I get about.
Three cars a double. Please and thank you.
We like to think of going back to Grandma's kitchen. So where we have the same thing in her kitchen, but we like to step it up as if Grandma was in elementary school.
Yeah, you might not recognize OBC's inventive approach to full technical.
We like to play around with flavors. You know, we take our traditional, more regional cuisine, and then we like to import a little more crazy stuff, a little more outside the box.
Taste bud ignition delicious with a brownie maple syrup and chipotle peppers.
Well, certainly here at OBC, we realize that quality.
The way to make bacon better.
This is the fun part. We do a nice honey butter flavor. There's definitely nothing like taking with bourbon.
Al Bourbon down the kitchen. The bourbon ain't just the syrup.
We do a little sugar. It's a nice candy crisp bacon. Just like the dish that this is going to go into, the pork. It's got the salt, it's got the sweet, it's got the heat, it's got the smoke. All the same things complement.
Bacon, tough, pickle, pear, and fresh greens.
And that is the OBC Kitchen 42 years. Country cooking at its finest.
That's awesome. I mean, the meat is just really, really tender, really juicy.
The surprise is still in there. Feast your eyes on OBC's mouth-watering.
And we're going to sear it down, break the meat down so it's super tender.
The soda pop gets extra pop from balsamic, soy sauce, garlic, onion, and herbs to help raise the roof.
When you think about country cooking, one thing that comes to mind is hot roast. And this is like a jacked up hot roast with some cola on it. And the sweetness. Great texture, great flavor.
They should call these short, but not too short rib tacos.
The key to getting a great taco is cooking the shoulders long enough so that the meat gets grated.
Instead of crunchy tail, our green certified cousin awaits the shredded ribs.
Putting such a sweet, full braised meat on there, the bitterness of the tail really helps it and really plays well with the overall performance of the dish.
Then it's the horseradish cream sauce and the sparkling wine.
And that's OBC Kitchen's cola braised taco.
See the flavors. OBC may be elevating the country cooking game, but the Lee's Carolina Country Breakfast are cuckoo crazy good.
Like the best egg I've ever had. When the world went bananas, you turned up big. But with 1 in 6 kids living with hunger, we still need you. Join Discovery and No Kid Hungry as we continue our fight to end childhood hunger. Text HUNGRY to 707070 to donate today.
That's cute. It's just me. You're right.
The man starts to move clean, so you can wait for space your own. Command, do no harm.
Close up.
Introducing new Starbucks Green Instant Coffee. At Chewy, we know walks are made better with our furry friends. And we're here to make those walks easy. From tasty treats on the go, to toys that keep them moving. Get everything you need, even prescriptions, delivered right to your door. Get fast, free 1 to 2 day shipping. Visit Chewy.com today. At Chewy, you can shop America's #1 pet pharmacy. Shop America's #1 pet pharmacy. Visit Chewy.com today.
How about this one?
Save on State Farm, it's the least. You really didn't get followed with that.
Here's the deal, Maya. State Farm offers everyone surprising great rates. No, really, there's no other just great rates.
Candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job criteria. Visit Indeed.com/hire. Get started.
If you have moderate to severe psoriasis, living things become your big moment. That's why there's Otezla. Otezla is not the it's a pill that treats plaque psoriasis differently. With Otezla, 75% clear skin is achievable. During use of your allergic to Otezla, it may cause severe diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting. Otezla before
avoid immune compromise. Upper respiratory tract infection and headache may occur. Tell your doctor about your medicines and if you're pregnant or planning to be. Otezla, show more of you.
When the rooster crows down in Asheville, North Carolina, that's the signal for healthy food seekers in America's healthiest city to head to early.
This is the best breakfast buffet in Nashville.
Early Girl is an institution now. They've been doing farm to table before people knew what farm to table was.
Been in North Carolina, so Southern cooking, something I just was familiar with, and it's very convenient, very comforting, brings me back to my childhood, evokes those sort of memories.
Sign us up. A great place to start for the early girl movie is the Cookie Boy. Equally good, the smoky bacon gravy. That starts with lemon, garlic, and bacon bits. Getting all combined together and then put into a delicious skillet of yum.
There's nothing that's more delicious about bacon and garlic.
A little bacon batter gets cozy with flour, cream, and milk, and all that gets cooked down for about 10 minutes. While that's thick and you say potatoes, I say tomato, and Mike says home fries.
This is classic Southern cooking. These potatoes are going to go on here with a bunch of butter. It's really nice. It's going to super flavor with that Southern cooking.
A smattering of seasoning along with onions and peppers shake up the buttery sponge on the flat.
You want there to be some nice color on them so that they're somewhat crispy. This will absolutely be delicious.
Let's bring this porkalicious plan home. The potatoes are the base, topped with cheese, glazed pork, scrambled eggs.
And the last step is going to be some of this delicious bacon gravy. We'll roll it inside. That's good. For the whole hall, it's a home breakfast bowl. Mixing everything. With the pork, the potatoes, the gravy, and eggs. It's phenomenal.
This is sort of your quintessential southern meal, sort of all thrown together back to back.
Flavors of this pork and everything. You got the home pork, the bacon, the large pork as well. The gravy is so good on everything. I literally just want to like order another extra side of it just to throw on everything because it's so good.
It's the best southern food, fried green tomatoes, and salted paprika.
Mike gets started on the star of the dish, the fried green tomatoes. A quick flour drag followed by an egg soak and a coating of breadcrumbs is all they need.
This time, get a nice thick curry. Wall ready on here.
It's stacked ever skyward with some fresh arugula for a peppery bite. Our crispy fried green tomato and those nicely poached eggs. Did I miss anything?
Yes, the good part. Some homemade on this. In my opinion, there's never be too much on this. And finally, a little bit of chocolate oysters up. Classic breakfast in Southern cooking in this early girl bake.
Thank you. Oh, this looks amazing. Probably the best egg I've ever had. I love a good cut fried green tomato. It is just crazy. And all the salt and ham in there. And then a nice little creamy touch of
We're not shy with that pork on here.
Watching it. I don't know, I gotta shoot him in the bike. Oh. I knew I should have. See if I got that one right. And now, you don't break, so he's going basically off. Yeah, everything's starting to shut down again, it's making me nervous. And he's like, and even alcohol here, it's rationed on days. It's so much cheaper. There's so much alcohol.